What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Ice. Shall we sing a song? A, B.
No, Mommy.
How about I love you? iPad sleeping? Papa sleeping? You want to go get Papa? Let's go kiss Papa. Want to get Papa? Let's go get him. Come on. Should we go get Papa? What's that? Shovel? Let's go get Pop-Up, okay? You can dig in the sand with that. We'll dig in the sand later, okay? Okay? Should we go get Pop-Up? Come on. Want to sing a song? I love you. What do you want to sing? What do you want to do? What, you want to go see the iPad? What's the iPad doing? Where's the iPad? The iPad sleeping? Okay, you want to get the iPad? iPad? Okay, let's go get Pop-Up. Let's go. Let's go, okay? Let's go. Let's go get Pop-Up. Shovel? Thank you. Thank you. Wipe? You need to wipe your mouth? Have you all wiped your mouth now? Is it good?
Good.
Good? You want me to wipe your mouth with a napkin?
No.
No. What do you want? Where are you going? Bye-bye. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let's get Papa. Let's go get Papa. Let's get Papa.
Hey. Oh, you back? Hey, Flory, you want to go play? Let's go play.
No.
Let's go play.
Up.
Up. Did they put the cream on? Oh, hey, Hallie. I think it's time to get up and get a little breakfast, Flory. We're going to get some coffee. Up. How's your diaper rash?
Let's
Your
go.
diaper rash better?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Good. Did you go to the water?
Yeah.
Oh, let me come over there and give you a big kiss. Let me come give you a big kiss. I'm coming to give you a big kiss. I'm coming.
No.
Give you a big kiss. That big. Okay. I'm coming to give you a big kiss. Here I come. Here I come.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Here I come. I'm coming to get a big kiss. Ooh, gonna give the doggy a big kiss. Mwah. Gotta give Flory a big kiss. Mwah. Ooh, I like your shoes. Oh, I like your shoes. Ooh, those are shoes. I gotta go